Dollar cost averaging. I'm sure we've all heard it over time. It's not a matter of how much you have in the market, it's the time in the market. I've heard it from so many people. Just dollar cost average, just dollar cost average. Don't get me wrong, it works. It does work, but the time frame doesn't work for me. Let's see if there's a better way. Which I'm going to throw a little TA aspect into this, and we're going to use Mother as an example. So, why in the world, if I have a limited amount of capital, meaning money, would I want all of my money to ride the wave all the way down? Every single token I buy at 15 cents, I could have bought 5 tokens at 3 cents. Why didn't I just wait? Well, here's where TA comes into play. So, needless to say, every single crypto out there, you're going to see the price go up, price go down. You're also going to see long periods of time where the price does nothing. I believe when the price is doing nothing at those lows, fantastic time to DCA, dollar cost average. Because anything you buy, let's just say for instance, because I'm using Mother as an example, this particular token, you had a great rise, you had a pullback, you not only stopped down here, which noted, you set 2 weekly candle closes right here at 58052. What I would have automatically done at that moment in time, I would have made a line there. So since I have more data now, this is a little different, but I would have made a line right here, so then I would have seen where's the price going to go up to. So then I can actually get an idea of where the bottoming pattern could happen. What happened? You came up just slightly, you came up and you fell right back over, then you hit a new low. So what would have happened? I more than likely would have put this line right up here, right where these candle high closes are, and then I would have seen the price hit this low. Now, I'm still wondering, are we at our lows? Are we at all? So I would have waited for price to come up, and then it would have came down again, because that is just what prices do when they're trying to find the bottom. Finding the bottom is a really big deal, because that's where you know a lot of buyers are finding value at that area, so the price is less likely to fall through it. The longer you spend in that area, the better. So the fact that you fell down here, you popped up, and then you came back down utilizing it as support, this right here, the fact that you were getting bought up right here means my new range would be between these candle high closes and these candle low closes. So everything in between here would be my buying opportunity. So from the days of, let's just say, August 5th all the way till September 16th, that entire time I could be DCAing, buying it up, buying everything I can, because the idea is that you will get back up to these all-time highs. Now, if you do get to all-time high from this level, which is the top of the range you would be buying at, you're looking at anything you bought around that 77073 level, you're looking to get 212% gains from it, just to get back to your all-time highs. Not saying all cryptos will get to all-time highs, but when you do see a bottoming pattern, you're expecting the price to at least get to the all-time high. In the crypto world, it can go much higher. But anyways, I digress. Now, once the price broke out of here, I would then be seeing what is our next resistance level. So the fact that we had a weekly candle close up here, tried to push up, fell back down, and then we got back into my accumulation range, I would be accumulating again. Line goes right there. So then that is major overhead resistance. Great. And because this was a lower high, now I have a downtrending level of resistance, which means I can accumulate non-stop in this downward trend, but as close as I can get to this 35384 level, that's going to be the best opportunity I have. However, at this point in time, all of my tokens are accumulated between the 77073 and the 35384 levels. So I would just be accumulating, waiting for the downtrend to break. Once that downtrend breaks, in all honesty, for me, when it comes to DCAing, I stop DCAing. I start focusing on another project, because I have gathered up everything at the lowest levels I possibly could, and now it's time to let it ride and let it run up so I can reap all of the rewards. Noted, what is likely to happen as it goes up? All these red lines will act as resistance. So you do have opportunities when it comes to buying the dip, for instance, when it comes to any of that. So if you wanted, you could play it a little differently, where at each red line you took some profits, and then as you came back down to each red line, you could put those back in to gain more tokens. But that is for a different video. We are just talking about strict dollar cost averaging. I like to call that other method the recycling of money, so then you can gain more tokens, but I know there's a term out there that I just never learned. Anyways, so this right here is the method I do like DCAing a lot more, rather than the method of, oh, I like the project, I will just constantly blindly buy it. I don't like that. I think there's a better way, and I feel like the way I just explained could be much better and beneficial, hopefully for you, and hopefully for anybody that you decide to share this video with. If you do like this style of video, please like, subscribe, drop a comment, do something. And yeah, if you want me to start explaining some other random topics, because I'm just kind of thinking of different things I wish I knew my first bull run, that I'm just trying to drop in there for you guys. In the description down below, I do have a link to Discord where it's the best place to contact me. Also, great place to get notified every time I go live, every time I post a video, and I do go live every single day. So maybe if you have time, catch one of the live streams. It's a great place to be. I'll check out charts for you. I'll check out whatever. I answer all questions, honestly. But yeah. Other than that, we do have 2 exchanges, so you could do some trading, buying, selling, all that you want. It's Weeks and Buy DeFi. Both links are down in the description below. You do get some special perks by joining using those links. So yeah, definitely consider it. The welcome bonuses are absolutely insane. They're absolutely insane. Talk about getting some free stuff just for doing what you're already doing. It's amazing. But other than that, hopefully you're having a great day, great evening. Hopefully you're enjoying the recent volatility in the market toward the upside. And yeah, let's take full advantage of this market. I'm trying to do everything I can to make as many friends as I can now so I don't have to make them later. I'll catch you later. Take it easy. See you in the live stream.